Hey, how's it going? Most of you probably have no idea who I am. I am Sin, Modeling Hermit's daughter, and he has convinced me that I need to not only make a diorama, but post it. So, yeah. I have never made a diorama before. I have never done a YouTube video before. Like, I've edited, I have not made one myself and then thrown it out there to the world. So, here we go. I am doing a Cyberpunk diorama, at least for this one. It's kind of split up into two parts, so the whole thing is 16 feet long. Half of that is going to be the water feature and what's going to be the old city, and then the other half is going to be a massive cyberpunk city with lights and skyscrapers and the whole shebang. Yeah. This is not going to be a quick build. So I'll probably do some lives. Just as I'm working, y'all can drop in, chit chat, ask me questions, and then you could pop out when it gets boring for you, no problem. And then I'll do videos like this where I'll just kind of throw together some clips of me working, the process, kind of where it's going or where it's been, and then you can just, watch me work. So in the meantime, yeah, cross your fingers for me, wish me luck, and let's roll the clips. Bye. So this up here is where the pool is that's going to feed the smaller of the two waterfalls. This is kind of early work on it, not really that far into the base build yet, so yeah. Yeah, and then this will be the river area coming off of the tall waterfall. That's the rest of it. Kind of more of this upper portion before I actually had the second waterfall built. More kind of just trying to plan it out. And again, I see those lines. It's from the overhead lights. I have to change the bulbs or something. I have tried so hard to edit those out and they are not going anywhere. So I will be fixing that before I do any more videos down there. But yeah, in the meantime, this is kind of where we are. And I apologize if the audio quality on this portion isn't the greatest. I'm lazy, I don't want to go downstairs and get the better microphone, so I'm on my Xbox headset, so we're all just gonna suffer together. I am so sorry. Yeah. So this is just kind of two little mountains. Yeah, things haven't gone to plan. And starting the painting process. This is just going to be the field area that leads up to the city, although for this build it's going to have actual like city on top of it instead of it being a field, but it leaves it open for me to play with in the future. I have watched people do these washes and everything. I've never done it before, so yeah, this was actually kind of fun. I didn't realize how fun those could be, but yeah, until you have to do the entire 8-foot section. That was about 6 hours of work. And here we've got most of it pretty well in, like all the base paint down, all the highlights, most of the wash done. Well, I say all the highlights, most of the highlights. And this is on the back end where I need to get a lamp or something so I have better lighting in this one little section. Like, just this one side of it has like this big shadow, so it makes it really hard to see when I'm trying to paint in details. And this is pretty much done, at least in terms of this stage of things. So next we'll be putting in the water. Yeah, I'll probably do a live for that one just because I have an idea of how I'm going to do it. I don't really have like a yeah. I don't really know, like, I know how to do it. I just don't know how to do it. Does that make sense? No, just me? Okay. Yeah, that's okay.